we're Jessica and Christy, the owners of Helping Hands Doula, and we've been supporting families for over 16 years. Today, we're going to show you how to do perineal massage to prepare for birth.
So you can use any edible oil, anything that you would find in your kitchen, you can use as a lubricant for your perineal massage. Having a partner help with this is great. You can do it one of two ways. Starting with 2 fingers, just going in a semicircle, increasing pressure over time would be great. Another way of doing it is using thumbs. So going into about the first knuckle, pushing down and slightly out in a J and a backwards J motion, increasing your pressure gently, and then hold it until your partner says enough, and then you can do gentle massage again, and then put some constant pressure in a diagonal motion, increasing the pressure until you feel that burning sensation. That burning sensation is what it feels like when the baby's head is crowning. So this is a great way to help get used to that feeling. It's also a really nice way to start learning some of your relaxation techniques. So using deep breathing, visualizations, meditation, any of those things, this is a great time to practice those techniques while you are doing your perineal massage. Seeing a pelvic floor physiotherapist, they can actually show your partner exactly what to do. So you can find someone in your area and they can help guide you. If there is any scar tissue from a previous delivery, you can use 2 fingers and just showing the motion of this and pulling outwards can help break down that scar tissue. For more information on birth and postpartum services, please take a look at our website at helpinghandsdoula.com. We can't wait to hear from you.